Hello there. Welcome back to a new episode of Suffer and Cypher's channel. Today we have a Wild Roar Jurassic World Rebirth, our last Wild Roar. But first is we're gonna compare to the UTAHRAPTor and the Orkoraptor. So this is from Dominion, and this is a Dino tracker. And I kind of customized this, add some orange and its eyebrow as well. Did some painting on the tail as well. I added some orange because the original didn't have these. I have two of these because there's no variant yet, but I only have one of these. I cannot find one more. I'm still looking for one, but I made a custom hybrid of these, so that Mega XL Raptor. So this one looks like Therizinosaurus with a little shorter claws, but are obviously a carnivore. Okay, now this one right here, let's see. There's the DNA scan for the Megaraptor. Megaraptor. Gosh, confused now. This one's for the Orkoraptor. Alright, so we're gonna review the UTAHRAPTor. No variant yet. Okay, guys. Alright, so let's check the box. We already did all of these. All done. Alright, so let's check it out. Let's unbox this. Oops, the tail as well. While I'm opening this, oh gosh, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. And don't forget to like this video. Let's put on the tail. It looks like a big Pyroraptor. There you go. The tail looks like a Pyroraptor. Definitely a big Pyroraptor. Like a overlarge Pyroraptor. There's the DNA scan. So it turns. There you go. Goes up and down. Very nice. There's a nice piece right here. You can see the details of the feather. Looks really good. Look at this, huh? The mouth, the teeth. I wish they made it a little yellowish. It looks too white. I mean, come on, dinosaurs don't have any pearly white teeth. And of course, they didn't paint the claws anymore. But the other one, I'm probably gonna custom paint it. I'm gonna paint the claws. The hands are way too soft now. But yeah, it looks like an overlarge Pyroraptor. The feathers on its arms, the tail. I should have grabbed a Pyroraptor, huh? Alright, so the Orkoraptor has a bigger head. Let's compare to the Megaraptor. There you go. Okay, let's go get a Pyroraptor. So here's our Epic Attack Pyroraptor. We'll see the difference. So the feather on the head is a little different. The tail and the talons right there. Because the Megaraptor and the Orkoraptor, they don't have any talons like this. So yeah, that's pretty much it right here. That's all I can do. Hopefully in the next Wild Roar I'll make more UTAHRAPTors, another variant, another color, you know. That's pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you. Have a good one. And also, guess what? We have this like 2 days ago. Stuff already opened it up. We're gonna review it probably next. The Hammond Collection Spinosaurus. Pretty cool figure. It's upstairs. I don't know. He kept it somewhere. But yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you, guys. Have a good one.